Hi guys, welcome back to Bunny Brick Designs. So I've got another unboxing for you. Happy Sunday after the 4th of July. Anybody in the US that celebrates 4th of July, hope you had a great weekend. I'm filming this Sunday the 7th and it'll come out Monday the 8th. So I thought I would do the unboxing. I had a crazy weekend myself. Ended up I didn't have any real big plans for the 4th, but then somehow I managed to have company 2 nights, went to a barbecue. So it's been kind of crazy, but we got our new bargain bead box in, and this one's called Desert Sands Collection. And of course I have bunnies at my feet. Hi Velvet. Hello. So we're going to unbox this together or unbag it together. And I'm really excited to see what this is. Ooh, pretty. All right, we're going to move these aside and we're going to go through them together. And I'm going to grab a beading tray. So, because I am going to open these up and we are going to get started making stuff. All right, so let me get them. All right, so number 1 is 30 by 16 millimeter picture jasper rectangular pendant. So that's pretty. So that is, I'm going to move the camera down here so we have more light. So that's a pretty brown stone. This stone here, and it's got this really weird band on it, but I like that. This reminds me of when I went to Sedona and I did the helicopter tour, that this is what the desert actually looked like from up above. Like you could see like little spots and specks. I like that. We're going to set that right there. Let me see. Number 2 is 8 millimeter picture jasper round beads, and you get a 15-inch strand. So these are really nice. Definitely a desert feel to those. I'm going to open these up and we are going to take these off, start setting them up, because I'm already looking at this and I'm already getting ideas. Not usually a big fan of browns and sandstone, or sand colors, but I like this. Next we have 6 by, let me see if I can find it. There we go. 6 by 4 red rainbow jasper rondelle beads. Ooh, those are very pretty. I like those. All right, we're going to set these in. This is definitely going to be a very pretty. Okay, fine. We're going to cut that. I need a pair of scissors. Oh, Velvet, what, baby girl? She just won't leave me alone this morning. All right. Throw those out. Number 4 is 3 millimeter lapis. I wouldn't have expected to put these with it, but these are the 3 millimeter lapis micro round faceted. Wow, I like these. I'm gonna leave those on the string for now. Just for now. And that was number 4. So the next one is Picture Jasper Rectangular Beads. So these are nice. So these are 18 millimeters. So these are very pretty. I like these. Those are real. Oh, those are so fun. I could see doing maybe like a wire wrap bracelet with that maybe. Or, ooh, I'm going to have some fun with this month's kit. I'm liking this. We're going to set those. Ooh, come on. Oops. In here. All right. And that was 5. Number 6 is 6 millimeter Picture Jasper in matte. I like this. This is really nice. I like these matte ones too. This is really pretty. Sometimes these knots come out easy, sometimes they don't. Wow, and even though they're matte, they go real well, ooh, with the shiny beads. I'm trying to get this so it doesn't flip everywhere. But those bends in the plastic. There we go. Velvet. Oh, goodness, my girl. She is all over my feet right now. If only I had a camera underneath my table, you'd see her like, she just wants attention. Guess I'm going to have to foot pet her. Number 7 is 8 millimeter synthetic Aquaterra Jasper man-made beads. Ooh, these, I love these. I saw these when we opened them up. I'm really liking these. So they've got browns and oranges, but they've got the, and while they're man-made, they're still very pretty. All right, number 8. Let me get some bags out of here. Is 6x4 crystal faceted rondelle beads in turquoise AB. And these are just gorgeous. I always love the AB color. I think it makes it look more sparkly. And I like this turquoise with these beads, like mixing them in. This is gonna be a fun month. All right. Number 9 is 10-piece, 10. Let's see if I can find it. $10-piece faceted crystal barrel beads in dark coral red. Ooh. We've gotten these before. I love these beads. They're so sparkly. I mean, I don't know if you can see that, but those just, they sparkle. Next, we have 4 millimeter crystal faceted bicone beads in golden shadow AB. Ooh, pretty. Those sparkle as well. Like I said, the AB coating just makes the beads sparkle. I'm not going to take those off the string just yet. I'm going to leave those there. Next, we have a 33 by 25 millimeter stainless steel pendant. So this is interesting. It's just a piece of metal it's got a hole in the top there. And then it's just this square pendant that's just crinkled. That's fun. Next, we have 2-piece sterling plated brass charms. Are those it? No, those aren't it. These are the sterling plated brass charms. Grab the wrong bag, but that's okay. So those also match the rectangular. Those are very pretty. And then next we have 4-piece 17 millimeter sterling silver plated brass textured rectangular links. So these are like these. So this one's got just a single hole. And these ones, I don't know if you can see that real well on camera, they have 2 holes in them. So those are fun. I'm going to set those in here. And I'm starting to lose my voice a little bit. I've been talking so much this weekend. Next, we have 4x5 rondelles. I missed one. 6 millimeter frosted glass round beads in dark coral. So I skipped one, but that's okay. These are dark and red and that definitely reminds me of desert. This definitely is a desert theme. I cannot wait to get started designing. I'm going to have to play with this. Although I'm debating what I'm going to do for whether it's shibori or bead wire wrapping with this. I'm thinking wire wrappings with some of this. And then we have 4x5. Wait, we got that. Oh. I already got the rondelle spacer beads in there. Next we have 8 millimeter dotted wavy bead caps. So those are some fun bead caps. Woo, I'm throwing them away. Those are cute. Oops. Like I said, throwing them away. We have 1 meter brass diamond cut chain. And that is pretty. That is very pretty. And then we have 3 sets, 18 millimeter open square toggle clasps. These are cute. I like those. Those are interesting. I like those. All right. So that's what we have for this month. I can't wait to get started. Oh my goodness. I'm seeing, I love these matte dark red. I think these man-made beads are my favorite out of all of them. I can't wait to put some of these together and get started. So anyways, this is this month's collection, Desert Sands. And approximate retail value is $78.32. So I've got a link in the description if you want to sign up. So, go ahead. If you haven't signed up, it's a great way to get started beading. And I am going to clean up some of these wrappers and I'm going to get set up, and I think we're going to start working. I'm going to start working and recording so that Thursday you'll have maybe 1 or 2 designs from this. But anyways, let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.